Hi friends, welcome to Roaming Bangla. I am Amanullah Walls. I am being here. In this video, I am going to explore Dhanmondi Lake. You can see behind me this huge area. This is Dhanmondi Lake. Don't waste time, let's see. Bangladesh is one of the most populated countries in the world. Dhaka is the capital city of Bangladesh. People density of Dhaka is so much high, but compared to that, open space, so little for recreation. Among them, Dhanmondi Lake is the best place in the Dhaka. Dhanmondi areas, local public, too much enjoy. Dhanmondi Lake has blended into the people's heart. The sun peaks in the eastern sky. Sometimes the sun hides behind the clouds. The sun smiles on the water of the lake in the morning. Water lily floats on the lake water. The water lilies are looking towards the sun. Different types of water lilies are stunning to look at. Water lily is National Flower of Bandladesh. Early in the morning, people's footsteps are loudly in the lake. So many people are coming here for the jogging in the early morning. Some people are come here to enjoying the beauty and take fresh air. Some people fishing on the hook. Anybody can be fishing here just by the hook. A man bath in the lake. Ducks are swimming in the lake. Couples are enjoying this. Nobody disturbs there. So much secure this area. An open space for cultural events have. This space name is Rabindra Sarovar. Cultural events are held here. Some students are coming here to roam their free times. The children are playing playground with her parents or relatives. Huge number of big trees stand in the lake area. This is the beauty of the lake. You get to opportunity to drive the boat. The children are enjoying it so much. Age doesn't matter anymore. Everybody can enjoy here. Your eyes will be dazzled by the vast green area of the lake. If you get tired of walking around, no problem. There are so many opportunities to eat. There are several eateries where you can have a variety of food. It is also possible if you think you will eat under open sky. Dhanmondi Lake is located in the Dhanmondi residential areas, Dhaka, Bangladesh. The lake was originally a dead channel of the Kauran Bazar River and was connected to the Turag River. The lake is partially connected with the Begunbari Canal. In 1956, Dhanmondi was developed as a residential areas. In the development plan, about 16% of the total areas of Dhanmondi was designed for the lake. Beginning from Jigatola, the lake extends up to Road 27 and bounded by the Mohammadpur Lalmatia area in the north, Shat Masjid Road in the west, BGB, Border Guard Bangladesh, Dhanmondi Road 2 in the south, and in the east by Kolabagan residential area. It is 3 km in length, 100 meter is wide with a maximum depth of 4.77 meter and the total areas of the water body is 37.37 hectare. There is one box culvert in the lake near Shukrabad area, which is the only outlet of the lake. Excess flood water due to heavy rainfall pass through this outlet. So water level in the lake remains almost the same in all seasons. The lake is located in central location in Dhaka. That's why you can come so easy way, like you through bus, CNG, motorbike and rickshaw. Lastly, you can take help for Google Maps. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comments. Thank you for watching till now.